Hi, I'm James Labold. Welcome to my studio. So, I just moved into this new space a few weeks, months, not long before we all got quarantined and all got shut down. So, it's still a little messy, but I'll give you the quickie tour. Got the creepy room here. This is all kinds of storage, old work, but we're not going to spend too much time in there because I just moved in. It's still a mess. Up here we've got the main workspace. Watch your head. A big table, flex space. Right now I've got a rubber mold in progress for a new piece. Something I'm playing with a little cast glass and cast concrete, and we'll see what happens with that. All kinds of storage. The main wax world area. Got my happy little fry daddy for now, keeping my wax happy. Piece in progress, we'll see. Maybe you'll see it in glass someday. Collection of cast of characters that I'm waiting to get themselves together. I like to have all my waxes laid out and get an idea of who goes with what before I start collaging them together too much. This is a small sampling of my mold library. Right now my mold library is mostly in boxes spread about the studio, but got a few open face molds here, some handshakes. If you've followed my work at all, you've probably seen this guy a million times, my buddy Abe Lincoln, and a few other ones waiting to be had. And then a little staging area. Someday this will be a clean space and I can get a better look at the finished pieces. And we come back around and a little bit of getting assembly figured out and whatnot. You know, this is the studio. It's pretty basic. I don't do a lot in the way of I make molds here and I do that when I can, but all my hot glass work happens outside. So this is just phase one. But wax world, mold world, the other mold world, making a mess world. This is my studio.